How to assemble the Artist Loft Wooden Art Easel Bundle Set by Michaels. Make creativity happen. This is a tutorial plus a review and painting demonstration using the Artist Loft Wooden Artist Easel. Brought to you by Photohacklovers.com. So what's inside? Well, first of all, you'll be receiving one wooden easel approximately 6 feet in height, a color palette for color mixing, 3 paintbrushes, 6 tubes of paint, and one 14 by 18 inch canvas. So let's get started! First, you'll want to start by clipping off the zip ties with a pair of shearing scissors. Be careful not to cut yourself. After you cut off the zip ties, there will be 2 pieces that you will need to attach to the easel. Hold on to these and let's take a look at the instructions quickly. Now, if you have a hard time viewing the instructions, you can just go ahead and continue to follow along with the video tutorial. Once you have all the zip ties removed, we can go ahead and begin assembling the easel. Now the pieces will fall off and you'll have 2 pieces left. You will receive 2 pieces, a short piece which goes at the top and a long piece which goes in the middle that holds your painting. Now these 2 screws have a wooden plank that is going to hold the back, and you're going to take that wooden plank, as I'm doing so in the demonstration video, and firmly press it into the screws. You may have a tough time getting it on as I did, so you may have to re-drill the holes and then they will be able to fit in, and you will be able to put the washers on the back so that way it is firmly in place. So as you can see, I go back in and I am pressing into the screws to try to get them to go in there, and now I was able to finally get those screws in there, and now I'm putting the washers on the back. Now you're just going to twist those counterclockwise and they should go on very quickly, and that is it for the first step. So just to give you a visualization, this piece should be level of your height, so you should be able to paint comfortably with the canvas, and this is where the canvas will sit so that you can paint. So make sure that you put it at a height that you're comfortable with, whether you're sitting or standing. You need to make considerations for this. So on this piece, you'll need to put the washers on each side. There is 2 sides, the left and the right, and make sure that you put the washers on both sides equally so that way it is nice and firm. You can also use a tool to tighten this if you're finding that it's loose. Now we're going to add the top piece just like we did the bottom piece, and this piece should look exactly like the picture in the demonstration. Place the wood block about 1 inch from the top with the long exposed part of the screws facing towards you, like in the video. Then you're going to place the other block piece of wood directly over the screws and press down hard, and then the screws will go inside the wood. And then screw the washers on and test it out for durability. Next, we are going to attach the adjustment levers into the holes in the middle so our canvas will stand on its own. Next, we will start by unscrewing the washer in this slidable slot. Once you have removed the screw, you'll want to use the screw to deepen the hole in that area where I'm pushing through in the middle, so that way the screw will fit. As you can see, that is how it will go in. So you're going to line up the holes and then place the screw in that hole, and then you're going to place the washer on the back, and then this project will be completed. If you did this project correctly, it should move in and out like so. So here's the final result. You've completed your project. This is a great budget easel for 20 bucks. This is my final review on this. I did find the supplies that came with it poor quality. The paint palette tray broke from just washing it, and the paint is poor quality as well as the brushes. So I give this at least 4 stars for the quality because it is consistent with the pricing of only 20 bucks. I found this easel to be very sturdy and good quality for just 20 bucks. So go to Michael's and get yourself one. Thanks so much for watching this review and tutorial. So if you like this channel, please subscribe, hit that bell, and thanks so much for watching my creatives, and we'll see you next time.